Hello, Marigold here. I have a message for Mr. Boris Johnson. I work in nightclubs, or at least I did, until March this year. I made a decent wage and I pay a fair bit of tax. The nighttime economy was a growing part of the UK's economy, accounting for at least 8% of the UK's employment and generating revenues of £66 billion a year. Yet we are just being quietly left to rot. Your new curfew has ruined any chances we had of opening in a COVID-safe way. Only 5% of transmissions occur in hospitality settings, so a curfew of any kind just doesn't make sense. The reason we started 24-hour licensing in this country was to stagger closing times and ease the burden on the police. You have just chucked every single pub goer in the UK out into the street at the same time. Nightclubs are big spaces. They lend themselves perfectly to separation and one-way systems, and with only a few minor tweaks, they can be made more COVID-safe than any supermarket or shopping mall. So, rather than simply ignoring our plight, why not help us to reopen safely and responsibly? If things carry on as they are, there will be no nighttime economy to return to. Thank you.